Namaskar children, how are you all? I hope all of you fine at your home. Okay, I am Sudharona from Nivera Global Kids and I am your maths teacher. Let's start today's session with prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. Om Bhur Swaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhur Swaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhur Swaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly rub your palms, put on your face, open your eyes. Everyone ready for the session? Yes. In the last video we learned before number from 51 to 100 in worksheet. So today we are learning the same topic of before numbers in notebook. आज हम notebook में लिखने वाले हैं. Okay? Okay. Today's class work is before numbers in notebook and homework also before numbers in notebook. Both the class work and homework in notebook. Okay? Starting our class work, shall we move to the activity file? Okay, let's start our today's activities. Today we are doing activity of before numbers. I am taken here a A4 size paper and I already written here some numbers. Okay, from 51 to 100. जो 51 to 100 के flash cards. Here are 51 to 100 flash cards. I am taken and here one A4 size paper. ठीक है, मैंने यहाँ पे एक A4 साइज पेपर लिया है, उसके ऊपर मैंने थोड़े बहुत नंबर्स लिख दिया है और यहाँ पे है सारे 51 to 100 के फ्लैश कार्ड्स. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर एक्टिविटी. ओके, द फर्स्ट गिवन नंबर इज 72. यस, फर्स्ट गिवन नंबर इज 72. सो हियर which flash cards we have to take? Yes, this 71's लाइन है ना. 72 कौन सी लाइन में आता है? 71 की लाइन में. सो we'll take 71's flash cards and I am putting here one by one. Okay, the first one is 71. Next 72. Okay, the given number is 72. So we stop here. Okay, now tell me which number comes before number 72. Which number comes before number 72? 72 before comes which number? 71. Yes, 72 के पहला वाला नंबर कौन सा है? 71 है. So we will write on the paper 71. ओके, अभी हम पेपर में लिखेंगे 71. 71 that is comes before number of 72. 72 के पहले कौन सा नंबर आएगा? 71. First we read this number, given number 72. Then we memorize 72 comes which number line? 71's number line. Then I take 71's line and I put here flash cards. है ना, तब तक 72 आता है तब तक हमको फ्लैश कार्ड से रखते जाना है. तो then when we reach 72 number we stop there. After that we will read the before number. Okay, I hope all of you understand this concept. Yes, now I will remove these flash cards and put it in their place. Okay, the next given number is 56 है ना. उसके बाद कौन सा नंबर है 56. So 56 comes under which numbers line? Yes, 51. Okay, now I will take these flashcards. I am putting here 51, 52, 53, 54, 55 and 56. Okay, we have to count up to 56 because here given number is 56 है ना, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ नंबर 56 है. सो हमको 56 तक की यहाँ पे फ्लैश कार्ड्स रखने हैं. नाउ टेल मी विच नंबर कम्स बिफोर नंबर 56. बिफोर नंबर 56 मीन्स वन जंप बैकवर्ड. आपको एक जंप बैकवर्ड करना है. Then we reach number 55. That means before number of 56 is 55. I will put this number here. है ना, मैं यहाँ पे रखूँ, आपको याद रहेगा. अभी हम 72 का भी यहाँ पे रख देंगे इसके ऊपर. ओके, सॉरी 71. 72 before number is 71. And 56 before number is 55. 56 before number is 55. Okay, I will remove these numbers from here and put it at those place. Okay, the next given number is 89. 89. So 89 comes under which numbers line? 81. Okay. Okay, let's start. Take these numbers. 81. So I am putting here 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 88 after 89. Okay, 89. So this given number is 89. So which number comes before number 89? 89 before comes number 88. So I will take this flashcard and put it here. Okay. So before number of 89 is 88. Before number of 89 is 88. Okay. Now I will take these flashcards back to their place. Okay. Yes. Okay, the next given number is 60. So, did you remember 60 comes under which number line? 60 number comes which number line? 51. Okay. Now I will take these flashcards and I am putting here. 51, 52, 53, 54 and I am already put 55 number in here. So now I am putting here 56, 57, 58 after 59 and 60. So given number is here 60. So 60 before which number will comes? 60 before which number will comes? 59. So I will take this flashcard and put it here. 60 before number is 59. Once again we will read these all numbers. Okay. Now I will take these all flashcards and put it in their place. Okay. The first given number is 72. Which number comes before number of 72? 71. Before number of 72 is 71. Before number of 56 is 55. Which number comes before number of 56? 55. Which number comes before number 89? 88. Which number comes before number of 89? 88. Which number comes before number 60? 59. Which number comes before number 60? 59. Okay. Now I will take another number line here. Here also we do the same activity. So the first given number is 94. So 94 comes under 91 flashcards. So I am putting here 91, 92, 93, 94. Yes, this is 94. So 94 before number, which number will come? 93. 94 before which number will come? 93. So I am taking this number, I am putting here. Before number of 94 is 93. Okay. I hope everyone understanding this activity. Yes. Okay, now the second given number is 78. The second given number is 78. So 78 comes under which number line? 71. Okay. So I will take these flashcards. 71 I already put here. So we count from 72, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. Yes? 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. So which number comes before number of 78? 77. Before number of 78? 77. Okay. Now I will take this flashcard and put it here. Before number of 78 is 77. Before number of 78 is 77. Okay. I hope all of you understanding this concept clearly. Yes, very good. Now I will take these flashcards and putting on their place. The next given number is 55. So 55 comes under which number line? 51. Okay. Now I will take this flashcard. So I am taking 51's flashcard. So I am putting here 51, 52, 53, 54, and I am already put 55 here. So I made another 55 flashcard here. So you can easily find which number comes before number of 55. So given number is 55 and we have to stop counting up to 55. So which number comes before number of 55? 54. Before number of 55? 54. So I am taking this flashcard, I am putting here. So which number comes before number 55? 54. Which number comes before number 55? 54. Okay everyone. Now we move to the another number. Under given number. Which number is this? 83. Which number is this? 83. So 83 comes under which number line? 81. Yes, 83 comes under which number line? 83. So I am taking here 81's line. 81, 82, 83. Okay, 83 is here. So we stop up to 83. Then which number comes before number of 83? 82. Which number comes before number of 83? 82. So I am taking this flashcard and putting here. So before number of 83 is 82. Before number of 83 is 82. Okay, I will remove these flashcards. And another given number is 69. So did you remember 69? A number comes which number line? 69 comes under number 61's line. So I am taking these flashcards. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. So now tell me which number comes before number of 69? 69 के बिफोर कौन सा आ सकता है? 68. 68. Okay. Now I will take this flashcard. I am putting here. So before number of 69 is 68. Before number of 69 is number 68. So our activity is done. Okay. Once again we will read these all numbers. Which number comes before number 72? 71. Before number of 72? 71. Which number comes before number of 56? 55. Before number of 56? 55. Before number of 89? 88. Before number of 89? 88. Before number of 60? 59. Before number of 60? 59. Before number of 94? 93. Before number of 94? 93. Before number of 78? 77. Before number of 78? 77. Before number of 55? 54. Before number of 55? 54. Before number of 83? 82. Before number of 83? 82. So on the last, which number comes before number of 69? 68. Before number of 69 is 68. Okay, our activity is done, completed. Shall we move to the classwork homework portion? Okay, now I will explain you classwork homework. First, we have to write here CW and mention the date. Today we are writing classwork in notebook. Okay. First, write the heading. Write before numbers from 51 to 100. Okay. The first given number is 55. So 55 comes under which number line? 51. So 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So 55 before number which number comes? 54. 55 before number is 54. So write here 54. Okay. I will erase this line. Yes. Move to the next number line 67. So given number is 67. So 67 comes under which number line? 61. So 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. So 67 before which number will comes? 66. 67 before number is 66. Okay. All of you understanding how to find the before numbers? Okay. The next number is 78. So 78 number comes which number line? 71. 71 under which number line? 81. So 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So 90 before number, which number will come? 89. 90 before number is 89. So write it here, 89. Okay, the next number is 82. So 82 also comes under number 81's line. 81 and 82, we stop up to 82. Yes, so 82 before number is 81. So write it here, 81. 82 before number is 81. Okay, the next number is 63. 63. So 63 comes under number line 61. 62, 63. So 63 before number is 62. 63 before number is 62. Okay, look at here. Here is 70. So how to find 71 before number? Okay, first write here 71. So 71 comes under 71's line. So here we have to find first which number comes before number 1. 1 के before number कौन सा आता है? 0. And in tens place value it remains as it is. tens place की value जो होता है वो same ही रहता है. तो 7 है तो हमको 7 ही लिखना है और 1 before is 0. 1 before is 0. So that means 71 before number is 70. 71 before number is 70. अगर आप ऐसे ही दूसरे नंबर भी फाइंड कर सकते हो. If it is 61, so 1 before is 0 and 6 as it is. That means 60. So 60 after comes 61 and 61 before number comes 60. ऐसे ही 51. So 1 before is 0 and 5 as it is. We have to write here. That means 51 before number is 50. I hope all of you understand how to find if it is there 1 in 1's place. Okay. Now we move to the another one, 87. So sorry, 88. 88 comes under which number line? 81. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. Okay. So we stop here and which number comes before number of 88? Before number of 88 is 87. So write it here, 87. Okay. The next given number is 59. So 59 comes under line, number line 51. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58 and 59. So 59 before number is 58. 59 before number is 58. So we will erase it. And the next given number is 94. So 94 comes under which number line? 91. 92, 93 and 94. Okay. So 94 before number is 93. 94 before number is 93. Yes, we done our class work. Okay, I hope all of you understand how to write before numbers. Okay, now I will show you homework portion. Okay, this is class work in notebook. This is your maths notebook, yes? First write CW and date, and I already explained you how to write before numbers of given numbers. Okay, and we also done our activity. I hope all of you understand very well. Okay, and this is homework write here HW and date. Write before numbers from 51 to 100. Here also I am taking numbers between of 51 to 100 numbers. Okay, I hope all of you understand how to write before numbers, and I think you don't need any help from my son and your mother. Okay, you do it alone. Let's see all numbers. 61, the first given number is 61, and 72, 53, 84, 92, 100, 70, 58, 66, 83. Read it carefully and write before numbers of all these given numbers. Note it down fast. Now I will show you classwork homework once again. Today's classwork is before numbers in notebook and homework is before numbers in notebook. Okay everyone, bye bye, take care.